Hi, I'm Peter Brett from Tool Business and Hire Magazine. Today we're looking at the Ledlenser iF8R. The R stands for rechargeable. Very simple, heavy, feels super quality construction. You've got the big LED chip in the front here, which you manage by the single switch at the back. Very straightforward. One to put it on. If you want to increase reduce the light, or increase the light, oh there you go, increasing the light, just press the plus, reduce it. On that low level, you get pretty well a whole day's work. And then you've got another one here, another little indicator, that's your battery indicator. This one's got 5 lights on it, which will tell you that I'm fully charged on that one. And then you also have the ability to connect this to your phone via Bluetooth, so that you can, so when the blue light is on, Bluetooth will tell you, so you can control that, the light intensity, etc. from your phone. Great idea. Switch it off, switch it on. Now, it's very handy, and of course you can hang it from a hook or a screw or a nail, anywhere you want to use it. But if you have a flat surface, it's equally good to put that like that. This has a hole through it, so you could actually hang that or put a bolt through it there, something like that. Let us also not forget that it's got 6 magnets at the back, so that you can stick it onto anything metal, like a scaffolding pole, or in this case a radiator. I just found it incredibly useful and a hell of a lot more compact than some of the cheaper rechargeable side lights that you get these days. Of course, it comes with a charger, which the first charge takes a while, but if you just keep it topped up, you'll have more than enough light for a day's work on that one. Really like this, super quality. What can I say? You know, it'll go down a storm on the work site, I think.